Hey guys, it's Dina Colada here. I just rolled out of bed, put on my lipstick, and I want to show you how to start an online passive income stream from scratch. Now, the cool thing is when you follow me on this YouTube channel right below, you can subscribe. So you guys can follow with me step by step and you can see the tools that you need to use to become a passive income money machine online. So today I want to start with the tool that you need to do Amazon research. If you want to be an Amazon seller, everything that I've found, it points to Jungle Scout over here. So I know in a lot of tutorials that I watch, the people that make the videos go really fast and I miss things. I have to keep rewinding their videos so I can see what they're actually doing. So I want to do things with you step by step by step so you don't get lost and you can follow along, and I'm going to type everything slowly so we're not rushing. Okay, so I went to Jungle Scout, and luckily for me, it's Cyber Week, so I'm getting a super good deal. It's $179 for 3 months. So if you see this video later, you're probably not going to get this deal. But I will have a link in below, and you can click on that, and you can go to Jungle Scout and get their Chrome extension and also their software. So I'm going to add my email address here. This is me signing up today. Ooh. I was hoping you couldn't see my password. Let's see. I got the green light, so I think we're ready to go. Put in my email address, my password, and I click next. Oh my gosh, here we go. Don't want you to see all that information either. Okay, I'm not totally prepared for this apparently. So let's get out my credit card. Sorry about this, guys. You can actually follow along with me. You have plenty of time to click the link to go to Jungle Scout, and you can do this at the same time. You'll have plenty of time to grab your credit card out of your bag, your wallet, or your purse, or whatever. It's asking for the 3-digit code on the back. Confirm. Okay, I love Google Chrome because it just adds everything in for me. Oh my gosh, now you guys all know my address. I'll actually block that out. So hopefully you can follow along and get Jungle Scout at the same time as me. I'm going to create my account. I'm going to pretend I've read all the terms of service and the privacy statement, which I rarely ever do, but at least they have it on their website, so we know it's a good website to use. Okay, I know this is kind of slow, but I'm doing my best. My account has been created successfully. Congratulations to me. Now all I have to do is get my Amazon seller account, and we will cover that in a different video. Jungle Scout, right? And now it's asking here to schedule my onboarding call. So it's a session with Q&A and the Jungle Scout expert. So I can join the most successful sellers and optimize my Amazon journey, they say. There's limited access for people. So let's see, I'm a beginner, so I'm going to click on register for beginner. All right, so now you guys can see here, we're going to register for the webinar, add it to my Google Calendar so I don't forget because I have a lot of things going on. So one of the things you'll need to have if you don't have it yet is the Zoom app for your computer or your phone. You can download that in the App Store. All right, let's see if there's anything else. It says here for Jungle Scout, I need to unlock my seller features. And then I start by connecting my Amazon account. My Amazon account, I haven't sold anything on there for a super long time. I was going to sell some things years ago and then decided not to, so my account got closed. So I have to show you how to reactivate your Amazon account, but there's a glitch in their system right now, so I can't get it to load. So I'm going to have to do this segment in another video. All right, you can click subscribe below and follow my channel and my journey on becoming. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.